So this is a fresh update coming in from the violence hit state of Manipur, and indefinite curfew continues in Ziribam amidst reports of fresh firings last night. A shutdown is observed in the Meitei-dominated valley areas, and however, a shutdown also continues in the Kuki-Zo-dominated areas. Massive protest by Kuki-Zo civil society groups for gunning down for at least 10 tribal youths by security forces in Ziribam. However, Manipur police have claimed that they were hardcore militants. 6 persons, including 3 children and 3 women, are still missing from Ziribam after the day before yesterday's shootout. In yesterday's gunfight, 10 Meitei civilians were missing. So far, the status is 2 individuals have been found dead. Mebam Kesho of 75 years and El Kesho of 56 years, 2 found alive and 6 missing, and suspected feared to have been taken hostage by Kuki militants. And today there is a protest by the Meiteis in New Delhi, where they have demanded to bring back those people who are missing, the 3 women and the 3 children, Meitei people who are still missing. They have demanded to bring them back safely. So again, the state of Manipur is on boil. We have seen that after the last shootout in Ziribam, where 10 tribal people, as claimed by Kuki Zo groups, and 10 militants, as stated by Manipur police in their statement. They have stated that there was a clash between the security forces and some armed militants, after which 10 people were gunned down after they attacked a security personnel who was very severely injured and was brought back for treatment. And after that incident, 10 armed men were gunned down by the security forces, following which there are indefinite curfew that is continuing in Manipur, both by Meitei groups and the Kuki groups, where after that incident also 6 Meitei people, 3 women and 3 children are still missing, and now there are protests by Meitei groups in New Delhi as well to bring them back safely, as there are reports that they might be made hostages by Kuki militants. So that is what is coming in from the violence state of Manipur. Both Meitei and Kukis have given indefinite shutdown, indefinite curfew in Ziribam has been imposed, and they have claimed for indefinite shutdown. Kukis have claimed in the hill-dominated areas, and Meiteis have claimed in the valley-dominated areas. So this has been a thing that has been going on since years now, but no solution has been seen, because there are reports of violence still coming in from this state of Manipur, where people are still getting missing. They are going missing. They are found dead. There are a lot of violence, firings. Everyday firings are being seen, where some militants, as claimed by Manipur police, are claiming on the security forces. Security forces are gunning down militants, and again there are shutdowns. There are people, children and women going missing in Manipur, but it seems there is no end to these patrols for the people in Manipur, where every day these incidents have become a sad matter of every day. This is Preeti Priyadarshini reporting for CNN News 18.